With 7 businesses and industrial parks offering shovel-ready sites and move-in-ready buildings, Fairfield is built for business and open for opportunity. Our mission is to provide your business with the water it needs to grow and thrive. From light industry to major food and beverage companies, we deliver nearly 60 million gallons of water daily and are committed to ensuring water is responsibly resourced, constantly available, and sustainably managed. A key component is our state-of-the-art Waterman and North Bay Regional Treatment Plants working to help clean and deliver drinking water from Lake Berryessa and the Sacramento-San Joaquin Delta. This combination of technology and location allows us to efficiently source, treat, and supply our most precious natural resource while making sure our commercial and industrial partners have all that they need. You can count on Fairfield's water for your business, gallon by gallon, day after day.